There are many ways to make biryani and just as many variations. Some people prefer to use chicken, others prefer lamb, beef, or even fish. Regardless of your choice of protein, I'm going to show you an easy way to make this that does not require you to go and buy every single spice from your local Indian grocery store. This recipe is based on this guy. This little goodie bag has all the spices that you are going to need and more. Don't get me wrong, the traditional way is perfectly fine, but sometimes you just want to get it done fast and easily. So let's start. I decided to use chicken this time. This medium-sized chicken weighs 1 kilogram or 2 pounds. To this, add the biryani spice mix. Also, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of fried onions, the paste of 3 large chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 6 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 medium diced tomatoes. Now, mix very well until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. I recommend mixing by hand since it is faster and easier. Finally, cover this with plastic wrap and let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. However, to maximize the flavor, marinate overnight for a maximum of 12 hours. Next, in a medium-sized pot, add 150 grams of vegetable oil, 1 bay leaf, 1.5 inch stick of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry this for 2 minutes or until the aroma of the spices is released. Then add 8 small potatoes that have been cut in half and fry the potatoes for 3 to 5 minutes or until they develop a light crisp layer. Add the marinated chicken in the pot, mix everything very well and cook for 5 minutes on a medium to high heat. Add 1 cup of water, mix very well and cook on medium to high heat until it reaches a light boil. Then reduce the heat to the lowest, cover with a lid and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until both the potatoes and the chicken are cooked. After 25 minutes, add half a diced lemon and set the cooked biryani mixture aside. At this point, we are ready to boil the rice in a large pot. Mine has a volume of about 16 liters. Add 6 liters of water, followed by 1 bay leaf, 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 3 green cardamoms, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 7 cloves, 12 to 15 black peppercorns, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a diced lemon, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Bring this to a rolling boil and add 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of washed basmati rice. Only use this type of rice, otherwise you will not get the same result. Mix well and cook on a high heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until the rice is 90% cooked. The rice should break easily when pinched, but it should hold its shape without turning into mush. Now start the layering process. First, add half of the boiled rice to the same pot, spread them out evenly, and add orange food coloring that has been mixed with some milk. Afterwards, layer half of the biryani mixture as evenly as possible. Also, add a little bit of that gravy. Next, add some fried onions and a handful of coriander leaves. Repeat this process one more time with the remaining ingredients. As a last touch, add some green chilies on top. Finally, cook the biryani on a low heat for about 20 minutes, then let it rest for an additional 10 minutes off heat. The biryani is ready. Mix it gently without breaking the rice grains and serve it in your serving vessel of choice. And this is how even you can make a simple but delicious biryani fit for a king. So this is it from me. Fi amanullah.